Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Professor Dr. Haslinda Yusof, the Dean of Institute of Graduate Studies from University Technology Mara-UiTM. Our university is the largest university in Malaysia with the population of students more than 160,000 students, and we have 35 campuses all over the country. In total, we currently have 217 postgraduate programs, and in 2019, we received the largest number of postgraduate new students intake among all universities in Malaysia. We would like to inform you that UiTM will be participating at QETC Study in Malaysia Fair at Hargeisa on the 5th of November 2020. So we look forward to seeing you at the fair. Thank you.